Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to RAVV Talk. We're here again. Today, I'm with
Faruz from Flux Technology.
Faruz from Flux Technology. So I'm Howard. I'm your host today, and I will be interviewing Faruz.
Thank you for having me today.
Of course. Thanks for joining us. So, give a little background about what you do and.
So Flux is a membrane technology company, a proud spin-off from UC Berkeley, and what we do carbon capture. So for example, gas which you use at home to cook food or biogas to get clean energy never comes as a single gas at the source. At the source it is product gas and CO2. So what you want to do, you want to capture that CO2 cheaply and effectively. That's what we do. We do it 6 times better than others in the market. And enabling innovation comes from the PhD research of my partner, Jonathan Bachman. And I am leading commercial and fundraising efforts at Flux.
Ah, gotcha. So what's the story behind founding this company?
So, the story is that Jeffrey Long, my partner supervisor, is very famous for type of chemistry particle he does. What he does, he likes to mix different things with that particles and see how it works. And the topic of my partner was to see if he can leverage the power of these nanoparticles for membranes. So basically what he was doing, he decided to combine special type of polymers with the particles. And as a result, he got this superior performance of membrane, the membranes which highly selectively able to capture CO2.
Ah, gotcha. What was your background before founding this company?
So my background in chemistry and materials, I have been 12 years in chemical industry. This is my second startup. Previous startup also was in nanomaterials in the Netherlands, which I exited successfully. So yeah, that's my background, chemistry and materials. That's what we do.
So in terms of founding this company, what were some challenges you have encountered? What was the biggest obstacle?
So, in terms of moving this technology forward to finding right partner to further to develop product, that is one of our main challenges. And also some improving, optimizing product and also partnerships and the product optimization. That's what we are working on.
Okay, gotcha. So what would be the next step for Flux Technology?
Next step, at present time, we are raising 1.3 million, and a small portion of that is already committed, or we are planning to close it soon. And next step is, with this money, we want to be able to make and field test full-scale product, align supply chain in terms of hitting the target costs we have, and also securing our first purchase order.
Gotcha. So is there any interest in terms of the globalization market, in terms of the China market?
Yeah, sure. One of our key interesting areas is China, and especially the intelligence we got, information we got, that there is lots of things going on in terms of biogas field. People are trying to make energy from biogas, and when you make this biogas, up to 35% of that can be CO2. So therefore, we see lots of opportunities in being able to capture that CO2 in Chinese market.
I'm sure capturing the CO2 would definitely help the environment, for sure.
Yeah, sure.
Right?
That's what we hope.
Yeah. And with a great mission, I think this company can move forward.
Yeah.
Right.
Thank you for kind comments.
Of course. So, how did you hear about RAVV?
So RAVV, is part of Skydeck community, and we are part of Skydeck. Very great program. We are very happy with the program, how they help us. Since that Skydeck community, we got to know Rave, and also I am living in one of Rave's apartments.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So it also supports fellow Skydeck people with some housing too.
So you live in the apartment is called Skydorm.
Yes.
Right? So,
Yes.
Nice. So we're happy to support you, and ladies and gentlemen, I'm so fortunate to have Baruch here today to talk about his company. I'm sure with innovators like Baruch, it's gonna bring lots more innovative projects in the world.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for having me.
Thank you.
Thank you
Great.
for joining us.